arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibilities.
How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my count, it should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes by that self-satisfied stork, and she said about a half a month. But 2 weeks is up.
Well, best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring, it's exactly the same.
Oh, but think of all the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours.
getting into deep water,
Attracting unwanted admirers.
like the cat. Why do we put ourselves